I'm in the Mexican bar. Yeah, I'm in the Mexican bar, chilling. And my two friends, engineers. His name is actually Andre. Portugal. He was so sad when Cristiano Ronaldo. yeah, boo. And there's my friend from South Africa. Blessing. Like not Blessing Okaboda, the runner from Nigeria, female runner, no. Boo. He's from South Africa. I am. Kara, Jamaica Kara. Jindes. Hi, Jamaica Jindes. He has been here for like 3 months. He's for 7. I'm here for like 2.5. I don't know crap in Japanese. What's crap in Japanese? Like, I don't. Why not now? But like you say, Majide? Yeah, like seriously, Majide? Like seriously, dog? Blessing is a curse, right? Because he's telling me there's a club in Toyota. I know there's no clubs in Toyota. Nigga comes and says, okay, let's come right here. Look, system. 1 set, $2,000. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what he's talking about. It's crazy. Club doka desu ka? Club doka desu ka nai? Nani? Oh, I guess she doesn't like. She doesn't like people of a darker skin tone. So the cameraman got busy. Why are you laughing? It's not funny. It's not funny. We out here trying.
You need to be careful because if you ask things to them, actually they try to help you.
Yeah, I know.
So they might help you.
I don't turn off no camera, bro. Ain't turning off. This is live footage. Beam it up. Hey, Susan. Hey, do you know find party club in Toyota? Doko
Club.
More like Nagoya.
でも海外の方がいっぱい食べてるなんだっけ、ブラジルとかいう人たちがいっぱいいる、南米の人がいるとこはあっちにある。なんだっけ、パンみたいなやつ食べたりする、ソーセージとか。はい、そう踊るとこないです。
ありがとうございます。Let's go to
Jokers. Hey, すみません。You know club どこですか？ Club. Toyota.
Oh, I don't know.
No club. No, わかりません。
わかんない。
わかんない。そうですね。バイ。They were kind of cute. So we're at this place called Jokers. Captain Jokers. And I'll be here steer pan because I'm black. I'm the only black person here.
Why you put your glasses on?
I don't know. I just feel like it adds to the nerd look.
You feel like Clark Kent or something.
I don't know. Yeah. Well, I'm the only black person. It was like me and Blessing. We're the only black people here. As we came in, lone steering. Like,
hey man, I'm the only Portugal.
Yeah, but you're closer to them than us. We stand out like a sort of. Separately, because we're really poor. Let me see the dog again. Only in Japan you can have a dog in a bar.
Definitely only in Japan.
Don't go. Majide.
It's coming.
There it is. There's a dog right there. Chilling like he's gonna have a drink of. We have Mark here and Miho over there. Misa, yeah, she's very cute. Utsukushi desu. Totemo kawaii. My Nihongo sucks, but I'm getting better. So you here? So whiskey coke. So yeah, we gotta do what Brazil do. Nah, imagine that. Hey. So this is a bottle opener. I don't know what that is. that looks like a dual function. So bottle opener. I'm not touching that. Yeah.
Never inside.
Bottle opener and dildo. So open bottle then. Choop, 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 choop. Move, get away. Wow, I'm telling you. There's a dog balling, stunting on them niggas. Stunt, 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 stunt.